Hi everybody, it's Kevin Piqua here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2016 Ram 1500. This is a certified pre-owned. This is stock number CP15458T. This is featured in True Blue Pearl Coat. Very beautiful vehicle. Excellent taken care of. Got the front bumper sensors, front fog lights. This has the 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine. This has keyless and go. Sorry about that. This is also going to have your heated front seats, heated rear seats. The front seats in the front are also ventilated. It also has a heated steering wheel. It also has a power moonroof. I forgot to mention this is also the Laramie trim, which is the Mac Daddy. The interior color is, they call it black, but it's more to me always been like a dark gray, kind of like a quartz gray. Again, these seats back here are also heated. Power rear sliding window. Again, this being certified has a 7-year 100,000 mile warranty, 3-month or 3,000 mile warranty on the whole vehicle minus wear and tear parts. You also get a free Carfax report, 24-hour roadside assistance, car rental allowance, and a free trial of Sirius XM satellite radio. This also has a spray and bed liner. Got the class 4 hitch, and you also have the 7-pin and 4-pin receiver. Rear backup camera. Let you know, in that certified warranty, this warranty is good. You have a 7-year 100,000 mile warranty, whichever comes first, the 100,000 miles or January 13th of 2023. That's when the warranty expires. Just to let you know. This also has the power mirror button. You push this and the mirror will fold in manually in case you have a tight garage, or if you just want to go out to eat and it's a tight parking spot. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got Bluetooth for the phone, gear shifters right here. These are all your controls for four-wheel drive. Also has a built-in trailer brake. This has a GPS navigation. Again, we've already talked about the power moonroof. It also has remote start. You can start this by several feet away. This also has the 4-cornering air suspension. You can raise or lower the truck based on these buttons right here. Heated mirrors. Just a very, very, very beautiful vehicle. Again, it's certified, pre-owned. Also has the nice factory running boards. Again, this is a 2016 Ram 1500 Crew Cab, Laramie trim, that is certified pre-owned. Stock number CP15458T. If you have any questions on this beautiful vehicle, or any beautiful vehicle you've seen on the lot or on the internet, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. As always, thank you for giving us the opportunity. Again, my name is Kevin Piqua, and have a beautiful day.